Is your iPhone screen turning red like that? It might be due to the color filters on your device. To fix this red screen issue, you just need to enter Settings, then Accessibility. Then tap Display and Text Size and tap Color Filters to disable the Color Filters button. Considering you may encounter other red screen issues, such as a red clock on the iPhone screen while charging or a completely red screen, and since the red background isn't always caused by color tint, here are some other feasible solutions for you. Method 1. Turn off standby mode. Enter Settings. Scroll down and press on Standby. Toggle off the Standby and the Night Mode buttons. Method 2. Reset all iPhone settings. Enter Settings and then navigate to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Proceed to pick the Reset section and then choose Reset All Settings. Method 3. Update the iOS Vesion. Go to Settings. Touch on General and Settings, then choose Software Update. Press on Install Now and input your screen passcode. Method 4. Repair the iOS issues. If the previous methods haven't resolved the red screen issue on your iPhone, it's likely an iOS glitch. In that case, MagFone iOS System Recovery is worth a try. This powerful tool is designed to fix over 150 plus iOS issues, including screen problems like the yellow screen or frozen iPhone. With its user-friendly interface and standard repair mode, it helps restore your iPhone's normal screen without causing any data loss. Here's how to use this tool.